Hi, my name is Juliana and I'm a student ambassador at Cerritos College. First, welcome and congratulations in your interest in Cerritos. We are one of the 116 community colleges in California, and I'm going to share some of the reasons why Cerritos College is a great choice. To start, I have a question. Would you like to learn some fun facts about Cerritos College? Wait, I can't hear you. Would you like to learn some fun facts about Cerritos College? Alright, let's get started. Did you know Cerritos College was founded in 1955? Our college was once a small institution in Dairy Valley, now called Cerritos, with more than 21,000 richly diverse students. At Cerritos College, we proudly support diversity both academically and socially. If you'd like to connect with our clubs, you can participate in one or more, including Abilities Empowered, API Desi American, K-pop, Mecha, and Women in STEM. Another way to become involved includes participation in LGBTQ, Women's or Black History Month, and undocumented allied training. When it comes to diversity and involvement, we've got you covered. Many students also pick Cerritos College because of our popular academic and career fast-track programs. Do you plan on transferring to a CSU, otherwise known as California State University? You can receive guaranteed priority admission to a CSU through the Associate Degrees for Transfer program. We have 30. Dream of being a student at UCLA or UC Berkeley? We have transfer partnerships with those universities and more in California and out of state too. What else? Oh, want to get a bachelor's degree but take classes at Cerritos College? Well, it's possible through National University and programs such as paralegal, nursing, and criminal justice. Cerritos College has approximately 150 career fast-track programs that lead to high-paying jobs. Fast-track programs provide skill training with no general education requirement. Another reason to choose Cerritos College are the enrollment perks. If your high school is a partner with our Cerritos Complete Promise program, you can receive up to 2 years of free tuition and priority enrollment. In addition, first-time college students receive priority enrollment from any district through the Early Success program. All you need to do is apply for admission, complete the self-report tool, and orientation. So here's why I think you should choose Cerritos College. We embrace diversity with many clubs and events that reflect this. The mind-boggling enrollment perks of 2 years free tuition or priority enrollment for first-time students. And lastly, we have amazing academic, transfer, and career fast-track programs. If I've successfully convinced you, all you need to do now is apply and become part of the Falcon family. Just visit www.cerritos.edu/future students. Select first-time college student if this is your first time attending any college. Got questions? Call, email, or Zoom with us at the Virtual Welcome Center, where we'll help you with enrollment-related questions and any other questions you may have. Just head over to www.cerritos.edu/welcome center. Oh, and I hear the commute isn't too bad to get there. And once you become a Cerritos College student, you'll qualify for a boatload of free stuff. Office 365, free tutoring through the Success Center, a student email address, free career counseling, and for those who qualify, you can receive a loan laptop and Wi-Fi, financial aid, food and housing through Falcon's Nest. We hope to see you at Cerritos College, a place where you're always welcomed.